I'm just off the northern shore of Key Biscayne today, paddling by West Point Mangrove Preserve, and today I'm going to explore some very rarely seen areas that have some of the most beautiful habitats on the entire island. I'm on a tiny little island just in front of the marina that people call Bird Island. If you can't see why, then I definitely hope you can hear, because it is absolutely covered in birds. Ibis, egrets, cormorants, pelicans, every single kind of bird you could possibly imagine uses this little island as a rookery. It's so loud. Unfortunately, as you can see, like many other coastal areas in South Florida, it is absolutely full of trash. I'll be back another day to pick it up, see if we can get a cleanup together to do this. There's a small central lagoon. Wow. Right in the middle of the island. It's pretty cool. Now this is cool. This is the hull, it looks like, of a shipwreck. God knows how long it's been here. That's steel. That's so cool. That is creepy. Back in my kayak. This is a beautiful island. It is incredible the amount of biodiversity here in such a small area, but it's completely marred by the trash that's covering almost every square inch. Look, even right here next to my kayak, there's some rope. But I will be back, and I'm gonna hopefully lead a team that'll clean this up. So, gonna get on that.